对于欧盟外交与安全政策高级代表博雷利关于这场战争必须在战场上决出胜负的言论，加拿大反战组织负责人肯斯通在接受今日俄罗斯电视台采访时指出，博雷利的此番表态只会使得乌克兰局势进一步恶化。
Diplomats are supposed to advocate for de-escalation and diplomacy and not hand over 500 million euros to Zelensky to continue the war. Clearly, EU leaders like Borrell have no interest in peace. That for the last decade, they have, like the U.S., brushed aside some very reasonable proposals for peace in Eastern Europe that were put forward by the Russian Federation, and today. They are promoting daily these unproven atrocity stories, which are designed to inflame the population with war hysteria in order to prolong the conflict and increase the suffering of the Ukrainian people, increase the number of deaths and destruction. It's shameful.
肯斯通还指出，以美国为首的北约，其所作所为都是在激化冲突。
NATO has a very aggressive policy towards the Russian Federation. And instead of considering the very reasonable proposals that Mr. Lavrov put forward over the last decade, all they've been doing is ramping up the war by turning Ukraine into a de facto NATO state and setting the situations